Nonviolent communication is a transformative tool, and it relies on using feelings so that we can communicate very clearly with each other to build further understanding. And you know what? One of the most important things that it allows us to achieve is clarity in our communication with each other and with ourselves. When we utilize feelings in our discussions with each other, it humanizes each other and it builds empathy. It's not just about sharing, it's about building a bridge of connection where isolation once existed. In your personal world and in your professional world, if you learn how to express your feelings around something, it will make life much more simple. Especially because, as I mentioned earlier, it builds a bridge of clarity. I'll give you a quick example. In work, if my staff doesn't understand something, it's really important for them to feel safe to say, I feel confused, I love it, I'm excited, I'm nervous, because through this form of communication of their feelings, even without anything else, then I understand that I can develop a strategy to support them. And of course, in your own personal relationship, it's extremely important. Your spouse needs to know if this makes you happy, if this doesn't, because they don't know. One of the biggest almost jokes about relationship is that we assume our partner should know how we feel. But guys, I have to tell you this, study after study after study shows us that humans are not good at understanding the feelings of others. The best way is to directly express it. And that's why in NVC and in our hero's journey, we always express feelings.